Hello, 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 and welcome back. This is just going to be a small intro of what you're going about to see about making the blend. I just finished it and I have a couple of berries on the bottom, but anyway, I wanted to say at the very end, my battery was dying. I've never experienced a battery dying. I was like, when other people do, I was like, are they never on top of that? But you know, it's the age thing. I just realized, I just posted on Facebook because I thought I was going to turn 50 this year. The big 50. And I thought, no, that can't be possible. That can't be possible. But no, I'm going to be 49. So, yes, Miss Ginger's with me today. She's wanting my cracker that I have. It's very dense, very healthy kind of cracker. And I told her she wouldn't like it. It's not like a Ritz or something. So I just wanted to tell you, enjoy this video. I'm gonna be making more of, oh really, guys? They have to, you know, that's badness. They have to put their in words, you know, their voice in there, I should say. So, yeah, I apologize. And at the very end, I was cut off and I wanted to make sure that I got it at the end. And what I was trying to say to you is be good to yourself. Seriously, there's only one of you, and be good to others because we just don't know what part of the journey they're on. So I love you. Enjoy the video. And please excuse my Maxwell. You'll see it when you watch the video. So we'll see you tomorrow. Today is November 2nd. We just uploaded. It's about to be done. It's only 3 more minutes left on the channel. So, yeah, it's a daily diary for the month of November. Then we'll have the 12 days of Christmas with the trees here in December. So I love you guys. We'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye. Let's see if I know how to, yeah, okay. Watch the video. We'll see you soon. Hello, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Jonna, or I go by Jonna J or JJ. I have a lot of visitors with me right now, a lot of 4-legged visitors. The furry dozen. They're like kids. They don't bother me unless I am making a video or taking photos, or I'm on the phone. And that's badness. So I am going to make a blend with all of you. I purchased a bullet for my blends. It is, hold on, come here. People are going to say, who is that little man barking and you're ignoring him? Welcome, badness. Say hello. There's nothing here that you really want. Maybe a carrot, but there's nothing here. Yeah. Oh my goodness. You're not going to stay up here and help me. No, you're not. He's very curious. Maxwell's very curious, and he likes plastic. He likes to eat plastic. So he sees my greens up here, so he's wanting to chew on the plastic, and I'm not going to allow that. But I have been changing my diet. It's been a life change, a life-saving change, to be honest. And I just wanted to do a quick video and show you how I do this with the bullet. Things that I've learned during the process. The blades are really thick on these. I really love this one. And it's like I usually have a breakfast in the morning, which would be my blend. But this morning I had tried to go and get one of the Starbucks Christmas cups, the reusable ones, and I had gone to 2 and they all sold out. The one, no. The one had a cup, and I did buy it for $2.71 for a plastic cup, but it didn't have any lids. So I'm thinking what I'm gonna do, and it's really not heavy duty like the previous ones of years before. So it's still in the car with the receipt. I might just take it back. It's not really one of mine that I would want to collect. I like to collect Starbucks cups for my love. He's a big Starbucks fan. So get back to the blend. There are different ways how you can make a blend. A lot of people say, oh, she is crazy. I'm a little crazy, but I'm gonna tell you, I can tell a difference in my skin, in my hair. I'm losing weight. Hopefully it is, I don't find it. Let me get him down. So it's, I had my vegetables and my hummus. When I get a quick sugar low, like I need to eat something, I grab my vegetables or hummus or my vegetables and my guacamole situation. I like to eat a lot of avocado because of the oils in that too. So I'm going to start out what I put in this blend today, and I'll probably make another one and I'll show you a different kind of blend. This is going to be more of a fruit blend. I just get frozen fruit from the famous Walmart, and this is your cup, and then you're going to load up. You do have a line here. I want you to consider, you know, there is a max line here where you're going to have to put fluids in that. That consists of water, coconut water, or I use almond silk for mine, and so the blades don't get broken up, if that makes sense. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm just going to load, you may move this out of the way, I apologize. I'm just going to load up some fruits in there, and what this blend that I have, that's a lot of fruit, is going to be your whole blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries. And it says per cup is 70 calories. I would say that's probably at least over a cup of fruit there for me. The next thing that I'm going to do, because of my LDL, my cholesterol is a little high, I'm eating, and that's one reason why I've taken certain things out of my diet. They say to use oatmeal in your diets to bring that down, so you get raw oatmeal. Again, I go to Walmart and I just buy my oatmeal. You can use flaxseed, you can use all kinds of things in these things, but today this is what I'm making. So I have my fruit and I just sprinkle some oatmeal in there. I really don't measure that kind of situation. So then I use that. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use the turmeric powder. Ray and I found this in the vitamin area there in Walmart. You can buy it at a vitamin store, which will be the next time that I will do, or at a GNC, trying to promote GNC for my son. So what I do, usually you get a small, like a half of a teaspoon to maybe a little less. So this is about the amount that I use. The reason why I use this, it helps with inflammation. You see him? He sees this. He sees this. See? Yeah. I'm not lying. You're going to get down, dude. No, come here. No. I just don't want him knocking anything down. Come here, my handsome. Oh, I know. You're such a little man. No, you're a big man. So I use the turmeric for the inflammation because of the injury, and it's been helping tremendously. Also, I sprinkle some cinnamon in there. It's just, I don't even know where we got this. I don't know if it's a Walmart brand or not. I just lightly sprinkle it. I really don't measure it out, to be honest. Just a little bit in there. Another thing some people use is honey. I sometimes use honey. I sometimes alternate it. But there's a lot of sugar. It's a natural sugar, but I have been trying to also decrease the intake of sugar. So I've been using Splenda. And I'm going to see if anyone out there who knew me back when I used to drink my coffees, how many envelopes did I used to put in my coffee? And put in the comments. Or you can guess how many envelopes I had used to put in my coffee. You would be amazed how much I changed. So I'm going to use one of these Splendas. I think there's also another brand that you can use, more of a natural sweetener situation. So I use the Splenda, 1 packet. Then I also use coconut oil. It's a organic version coconut oil, unrefined. Ray had found this for me at Walmart too, and it was in the baking area from that. So that's what it looks like. Let me be right back. Let me let my baby in. It's usually probably who wants to go out. Okay. Who wants to go out? Okay. It's beautiful out there. Sorry guys, it is so nice here today in El Paso on November 2nd. I don't even know, let me check the temperature. I think it's like 70. Let's see. Oops. It says it's 46, but I don't think that's right. 64, it's 64, it's just gorgeous. So if the dogs want to go out, go out. So I do use the coconut oil. It's very good for you. Coconut oil is very, very good for you. I'm learning more and more about different oils, and next oils that I'm wanting to try is going to be the avocado oil. I'll probably alternate the avocado oil in this and in my cooking kind of situation. I'm going to be doing a spaghetti squash with marinara, and I always loved like having meat in my sauce. I have tofu, so I'm going to try it out and then I'll make a video and see how well it turned out. You usually just use a teaspoon of the oil kind of situation. That's the size that I have of the coconut oil. So I'm just going to put this in. Sir, I don't know what you're thinking. No, you're not coming up. Do you want some oil? Do you want some oil? Do you want some? It's good for their coats. So I let them lick the spoon of the coconut oil. So then the next thing I do, I alternate this also like a spring baby kale spinach blend, and then I also have a collard, mustard, and turnip green. So it's really rich in your A, your C, K, E, calcium, fiber, and your lutein, which is so good with your skin. And so what I do is I put this in. I always put the frozen on the bottom, like the frozen. Oh, I forgot my banana. I need to get my banana. I knew I was forgetting something this little. Okay, I'm gonna cut up my banana. I'm sorry, guys. Totally forgot about my banana. Sorry. Is that good? Do you like that? Yeah. See, Mama's not that mean. So I just slice up a banana. This is going to be really full, so I'm going to see if no, sir. Or maybe just use a half a banana. Yeah, we're just going to use a half a banana. And then probably a little bit more greens in there. And you cannot forget your fluids, your liquids. So I'm going to take my Silk almond. Nope. People are going to probably freak out because you're on my counter. Yeah. Can you get down now? Can we get down? Yes. Let's get down, please. Oh, he's purring. So I'm going to fill this up to the max line here. You know, I'm only getting younger. That's why there's so much glitter in my hair. Like, glitter? Is she doing Christmas decorations again? No, I call my gray hair glitter. Where is it at? There we are. Wow. I have a friend, Leah, who thought, oh, that's perfect idea. I can do that while I'm traveling. And the only thing, I don't know, with you driving semi, if you're able to, if you're able to have cold things in your semi. So I don't know, maybe a refrigerator. That's something I'm needing to learn. So this is how it's going to look like, situation. And then I just put the bottom on. Okay, and then bring my bullet over. Okay, and you just put the little, put it in like you're supposed to, and then you press down and turn. 30 seconds. There we go. Look at that. Doesn't that look beautiful? The color is like a raspberry color. I don't know how this is going to be. I'm always, each time I make this, I get a little paranoid, if that makes sense. I think the state of California have totally made these outlaw. So I'm needing to use up the ones I have and never use them again because of the safety of the landfills and the birds and the water. So let's see how this is, guys. Just take the lid off. Oh, I'm going to show you the richness of this. This is just beautiful. And just remember, you had everything you put in there, and this just looks beautiful. This is what it looks like so far. If you can see the blades, I'm going to rinse that off. Okay, I'm not sure. Oh, I'm low on battery. All the blend, I'm gonna hurry up and make this. Oh my gosh, it's heavenly. It's wonderful. So yeah, hello November 2nd. Love you guys. Come back, I'll make a new one. Maybe the tofu will be next. Bye-bye, see you soon. And take care of yourself. Be good to yourself and be good to others, because we just be good to yourself and be good to others, because we just don't know what battle they're on. Love you guys. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye.